Hey guys, I'm back at it again today with another slime video. It's not like slime, it's like my fourth slime I made, and I was just showing you how it came out to be. So at the bottom of it is peach fluffy slime, and on the top is shaving cream with some white fake foam something like that. And I dyed it yellow before I put it on top, and it just turned the up some parts of the shaving cream yellow, and I put lotion on top of it, like just a beige cocoa butter lotion, so it could go along with it. Oops, a piece of stuff, and it got my hands. Yeah. So I'm gonna play with it like this. See. It smells so good, guys. It smells like a pineapple, almost. But I put this peach color at the bottom. As you can see, it got all over the eyes. So guys, I mixed all of it up, and it turned into some kind type of like, I thought I was gonna change the color, but it just brought it like a dark type peach, as you guys can see. And it got like the little snowflake type things in it. Like, I'm trying to get it out there for y'all. Like this, guys. It's covered. Like, it's like a, you can't really see it. I don't think it's like yellow type yellow. But yeah, and it's just so good and stretchy.